Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use protected paid time off, or PTO, at Walmart to leave early. PTO is a valuable benefit designed to protect you from attendance points when unexpected situations arise. It also ensures you receive pay for the hours you miss. Understanding how to properly use it is key to managing your work-life balance effectively. When you need to leave early, the first and most important step is to notify your manager or supervisor. This prevents any issues like job abandonment. After you've left, you can easily submit your PTO request using the Me at Walmart app or the GTA portal. Be sure to accurately enter the specific number of hours you need to cover for the remainder of your shift. To ensure your early departure is covered, you must have enough PTO hours available in your balance. The system will automatically approve your request if you have sufficient time. Remember, you have a generous window of up to 7 calendar days from the date of your absence to submit your PTO request through the system. Using PTO correctly offers significant benefits, primarily protecting your attendance record from occurrences for leaving early. It also ensures you continue to receive pay for those unexpected hours away. Always prioritize clear communication with your leadership and regularly check your PTO balance to make informed decisions about your time off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.